Reading a bus or train schedule?
Hi, when is the next bus to the Central Station? Hi, when is the next bus to the Central Station?
Let me check. Bus 45 comes at 14:25. Let me check. Bus 45 comes at 14:25.
Great. What does this triangle mean? Great. What does this triangle mean?
It means the bus doesn't run on weekends. It means the bus doesn't run on weekends.
I see. How often does it come? I see. How often does it come?
Every 20 minutes during the day. Every 20 minutes during the day.
Thanks. I'm still learning how to read these. Thanks. I'm still learning how to read these.
No problem, enjoy your trip. No problem, enjoy your trip. Asking for directions at a station.
Excuse me, how can I get to Times Square? Excuse me, how can I get to Times Square?
Take the 1 train. It goes straight there. Take the 1 train. It goes straight there.
Where is it? Where is it?
Go down the hall and take the escalator to platform 3. Go down the hall and take the escalator to platform 3.
Do I need a special ticket? Do I need a special ticket?
No, a regular ticket is fine. No, a regular ticket is fine.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Buying a ticket from a machine.
This machine is confusing. This machine is confusing.
I can help. Press English first. I can help. Press English first.
Done. Now I choose my destination. Done. Now I choose my destination.
Yes, then pick single ticket. Yes, then pick single ticket.
Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card?
Yes, just tap your card. Yes, just tap your card.
Do I need to validate the ticket? Do I need to validate the ticket?
Yes, in the yellow box near the platform. Yes, in the yellow box near the platform.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Announcing stops and destinations.
Do trams announce the stops? Do trams announce the stops?
Yes, and you can also see them on the screen. Yes, and you can also see them on the screen.
I'm going to Broadway Avenue. I'm going to Broadway Avenue.
That's a main stop. You won't miss it. That's a main stop. You won't miss it.
What if I'm unsure? What if I'm unsure?
You can ask the driver or check your phone. You can ask the driver or check your phone.
Good idea. Thanks. Good idea. Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Which sentence uses the correct word order for a question? A. You know where is the station? B. Do you know where the station is? C. Do you know where is the station? D. Where the station is, do you know? What's the correct way to give advice? A. You should take the tram. B. You should to take the tram. C. You should taking the tram. D. You should took the tram. Which sentence uses the present continuous correctly? A. I getting used to the new system. B. I'm getting used to the new system. C. I get used to the new system. D. I am get used to the new system. Which sentence uses the present perfect correctly? A. I have take the train many times. B. I have took the train many times. C. I have taken the train many times. D. I has taken the train many times. Choose the correct negative sentence in the present simple. A. She don't like crowded trains. B. She doesn't likes crowded trains. C. She doesn't like crowded trains. D. She not like crowded trains. Which sentence uses the future tense correctly? A. The bus will come soon. B. The bus will come soon. C. The bus coming soon. D. The bus come soon.